Makan sayuran. Siapa yang masa kecilnya sering ngerasa tersiksa waktu dipaksa ngunyah tumbuh-tumbuhan? Katanya makan sayuran itu bikin kita kuat. Tapi apa jadinya kalau kita cuma makan yang ijo-ijo ini doang seumur hidup kita? Apa yang bakal terjadi? Ya, inilah yang kira-kira bakal kejadian. Setelah mulai makan sayuran doang, badan kita mungkin bakal sehat-sehat aja. Malah tubuh bisa makin bertenaga dan organ pencernaan jadi lebih sehat karena kandungan seratnya sayuran. Tapi terus lanjut ke beberapa bulan kemudian, jerawat di kulit juga bisa berkurang buat sebagian orang. Dan dengan makan sayur-sayuran yang beragam, badan kita bisa dijauhin sama penyakit-penyakit nyeramin. Ya, sejauh ini aman-aman aja. Tapi ada dampak buruknya juga kalau ini terus kita lanjutin dan kita cuma makan sayur sepanjang masa. Di beberapa bulan awal, badan kita mulai kekurangan vitamin yang berguna buat ngejaga gigi, tulang, sampai otot biar tetap sehat. Dan berbulan-bulan kemudian ada vitamin ini juga yang jumlahnya ikut-ikutan nyusut. Padahal dia ini berguna buat ngejaga pembuluh darah dan sel-sel saraf biar tetap sehat. Dan bertahun-tahun setelahnya tubuh kita bakal lebih kerasa bedanya. Tulang-tulang bisa lebih rapuh dan malah berpotensi ngalamin patah tulang dibanding mereka yang makan daging. Jadi ternyata makan sayur doang itu nggak sepenuhnya baik buat kita. Terus kalau gitu gimana sama orang yang emang sepanjang hidupnya cuma mau makan yang ijo-ijo doang? Sebenarnya emang ada caranya buat tetap sehat. Caranya itu dengan ngatur pola makan dan nyimbangin gizi. Apa yang kita nggak dapat dari daging harus diganti sama makanan yang ngasih nutrisi itu. Jadi ya, untuk kalian yang tertarik buat pindah haluan sebenarnya bisa aman-aman aja. Tapi kalau masih tetap pengen setia di jalan ninja ini, kita bisa ingat satu panduan ini yang intinya ngejaga apa yang kita makan tetap seimbang. Screenshot panduannya biar apa yang kita makan nggak cuma numpang mampir doang. Dan soal makan seimbang, peneliti bilang cara itulah yang jadi salah satu alasan nenek moyang kita bisa bertahan. Ya, karena faktanya manusia purba bukan cuma makan daging hasil buruan, tapi juga masak rumput sampai biji-bijian buat dimakan. Awalnya mereka makan sayuran kalau hewan yang diburu lagi sepi. Dan seiring waktu, nutrisi dari sayur dan daging bikin otak berkembang, tubuh sehat dan kuat, bikin peluang bertahan hidup membesar. Bayi-bayi berlahiran, peradaban dimulai, dan akhirnya kita ada di sini. Jadi, terima kasih sayuran. Oke, sekarang kita tahu makan sayuran doang juga nggak menguntungkan kalau nggak dilengkapin sama nutrisi lainnya. Jadi, apa yang akan kalian makan habis ini? Pakai apa aja boleh, asal bukan yang kayak gini. Dan seperti biasa, terima kasih.
And so yeah, eat vegetables who often feel tortured as a child when they are forced to eat plants. They say the eating vegetable makes us strong. But what happens if we only eat green things for the rest of our lives? What will happen? Yes, this is what it is like. I think what will happen is that after starting to eat vegetables, our bodies will probably be healthy. In fact, the body will become more energetic and the digestive organs will be healthier because of the fiber content of vegetables. But continuing for a few months, acne on the skin can also be reduced for some people by eating a variety of vegetables, and we can avoid diseases. Yes, so for it's safe. But there are also bad effects if we continue this and we only eat vegetables all the time. In the first few months, our bodies start to lack vitamins which are useful for maintaining health, teeth, bones, and muscles so that they stay healthy, and months later, is also this vitamin, the amount of which also decreases. Even though It is useful for keeping blood vessels and nerve cells healthy, and years later our bodies will feel more different from bones. Bones can be more brittle and even have the potential to experience fractures compared to those who eat meat. So it turns out that eating only vegetables is not really good for us. If that's the case, what about people who all their lives only want to eat green things? But actually there is a way to do it. The way to stay healthy is by managing your diet and balancing the nutrients that we don't get from meat. We have to replace them with foods that provide those nutrients. So, for those of you who are interested in changing direction, you can actually be safe, but if you still want to remain loyal to Ninja Way, to this way, we can remember this guide, which basically means keeping what we eat in a balanced cells. Researchers say this method is only of the reason our ancestors were able to survive, because in fact ancient humans not only eating meat from the hunt but also cooking grass and grains for them to eat, eating vegetables if the animal they are hunting is quiet, and over time, the nutrient from vegetables and meat makes the brain develop, the body is healthy and strong, makes the chance of survival bigger, the babies end up civilization began, and finally we here. Okay, now we know that eating vegetables alone is also not profitable if it is not accompanied by other nutrients. So what are you going to eat after this? You can use whatever you like as long as it's not like this. And as usual, thank you.